Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Radhika Tech Hub. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create React app and install and run in our Visual Studio. Let's get started. npx create React app. Guys, we will get the one warning like that. If we get like this means the latest instructions for creating a new app can be found here means we will do one thing. We can add here at the rate latest. Then the installation will happen and it takes time to install. In the meanwhile of this time we will see React site where we learn and where we can use the document. This is the documentation where we can find for React community there is several documents. React Bootstrap we can observe, ReactJS.org also we can find here in this. Now we are creating the React app, so we can find here how to install and how to start the React application. What is React.js means? React.js is a JavaScript library. We can say React.js is library and use it to build the user interfaces. User interface is nothing but a components. Everything we will create a components in the React.js. So components is nothing but a when we are clicking here, I will click on getting started, so it will be reflected left side. So this means the component is rendering here. So when we clicking on that, the URL is changing by using routers. In React we use the routers. When we click on create new app, or we will click on the components and props, whatever, it will be reflecting in the left side. So from reflecting in the left side is the one component, and the concepts here mentioned in the installation below are one component. Everything is component based. We can say that React.js is nothing but a component based. In React.js we have a combination of HTML and JavaScript. I will show here. See, this is the we use the document.getElement by id is root. It will be, we can see this content in the JavaScript, right? Combination of JavaScript and HTML. So the installation is happened, right? When we see happy hacking, the installation will be completed. So we enter into the our folder, my app. So we'll open the code. I will start the application. Guys, here you can observe that node modules. When we install the React.js application, we are having the node modules. The main component here where we call the app.js and index.js. Here you can see that app.js. Whatever the components we will create, every component we will be called in the app.js itself to render the output, and this app.js will be called in the index.js. Here you can see this index.js. This create root document.getElement by id is a root. It is the main. So everything what we call in the app.js will be rendered into the root. Main thing what we are having is the app.js. I will create, so first of all I will show the output to you guys. It is loading. Here you can see the app.js will be edit src app.js what we have already in app.js. So this is the output we are getting now. I am removing this, and I will write here. I am saving. Automatically it will be reflected in the output. So what I wrote here, I will create one component. Whatever we want to create the components, we have to create in the src folder itself. I will create one component home.js. The extension will be .jsx or js. Whether it is js or whether it is jsx, it will be work. So home, I will render this component in the app.js. So I will import this. So has been imported. So I will call after this. We can call directly like this. So whatever the content present in the home.jsx, the output will be shown after my first React.js application content. We will see home here. You can see, observe. If we copy 5 times, the output will come those 5 times. So you can see like this. That's all about this video. We will catch up in the next video. If you like this video, if this is useful to you guys, please subscribe me, like me, and comment me, and please click on the icon, bell icon. It will be give the notification when I upload the new videos to you guys. Thank you so much. We'll catch up in the next video.